A cook used 1/4 of a pound of flour to make 5 dumplings of equal size. How many pounds of flour were used in each dumpling? So he uses 1/4 of a pound. So imagine that this is all the flours that he's using, and he needs to make 5 dumplings, and we care about how much is in each dumpling. So we're going to divide all of the flour by 5. Well, all of the flour was 1/4. So we're going to end up doing 1/4 divided by 5. So 1/4 divided by 5. So this is dividing fractions, so we're going to keep, change, flip. Now, if it helps for you to realize that 5 is the same as 5 over 1, then quick, write that out. So when we keep, change, flip, it makes your life a little bit easier. So we're going to keep 1/4. We're going to change divided by into times, and we're going to flip 5 over 1 into 1 over 5. Now we multiply. Multiply across the numerators. 1 times 1 is 1. Multiply across the denominators. 4 times 5 is 20. And so each dumpling is going to be 1/20th of a pound of flour. So 1/20th of a pound is A.